चौथा चरण पीएसएलवी का या फिर से तरल नोदन पर काम करने वाला होता है।
On your screens now you can see the passengers of this particular PSLV C-49 mission. The primary satellite is that of ISRO. It is called EOS-1, whose liftoff weight is 630 kg, and it is intended to be placed in 575 kilometers circular orbit with an inclination of 36.9 degrees. The objective of the EOS-1 is Earth observation. Along with the EOS-1, there are 9 co-passenger satellites
This is Mission Director
from other countries.
Mission Readiness Review and Launch Authorization Board have already given clearance for proceeding with the countdown and launch of PSLV C-49 EOS-1 mission. All operations in the countdown sequence till automatic launch sequence have been completed satisfactorily. Based on the clearance obtained from launch vehicle, spacecraft, range and ISTRAC network stations and prevailing favorable weather conditions, Mission Director hereby authorizes to initiate launch operation sequence for the launch of PSLV C-49 EOS-01 mission at 15:12 hours IST today, that is 7th of November 2020.
On your screens, you have watched Sri S.R. Biju,
Calling timing.
Project Director PSLV
You can lift the hold in the next full
and Mission Director of PSLV C-49 EOS-01 mission, giving the clearance and authorizing the launch. The IST time here is 14:54 hours, and we are 16 minutes away from the intended launch. The launch time has been revised from 15:02 hours to 15:12 hours IST.
जी हाँ, जैसा कि आप अभी देख रहे थे,
Hold released.
अब काउंटडाउन फिर से शुरू हो चुका है। यहाँ अब निर्णय लिया जा चुका है कि सभी पैरामीटर सामान्य हैं, हम प्रमोशन के लिए आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। इस तरह अभी अभी आपने देखा, मिशन डायरेक्टर ने अपना अनुमोदन व्हीकल डायरेक्टर को समर्पित किया है। मिशन डायरेक्टर, उपग्रह निदेशक, टेलीमेट्री ट्रैकिंग स्टेशन निदेशक, रेंज ऑपरेशन निदेशक, इन सभी की अनुमोदन के बाद ही अपने अनुमोदन मिशन डायरेक्टर को देते हैं और मिशन डायरेक्टर अपना अनुमोदन व्हीकल डायरेक्टर को समर्पित करता है।
Automatic launch sequence started for PSLV
Ab-
C-49 launch.
You can see on your screens that based on clearance from Project Director and Mission Director, you can see on your screens Vehicle Director has announced the start of automatic launch sequence. It is about 14 minutes 30 seconds to the launch. From here on, the further activities leading to the launch will be in the autonomous mode by the automatic launch sequence. The major checkout parameters of the launch vehicle and satellite will be taken care by the onboard computers hereafter.
जैसा कि आपको अभी स्क्रीन पे दिखा, मिशन निदेशक ने अपना अनुमोदन व्हीकल यान निदेशक को दे दिया है और यान निदेशक ने ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस का अनुमोदन सक्षम कर दिया है। इसके बाद ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस में पूरा अधिकार ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर के पास चला जाता है और उसमें पूर्व निर्धारित तरीके से, पूर्व निर्धारित अनुक्रम के अनुसार वह अपनी परीक्षण शुरू करता है, यान परीक्षण। इस दौरान वह सभी पैरामीटर्स को, अपने सामान्य अनुकूल पैरामीटर हैं कि नहीं, वो सब चेक करता रहता है और उसके बाद में अपना कोई भी बाधा उत्पन्न होने पर वह यहाँ हम डेटा रिसीव कर रहे हैं और डेटा से पता लग रहा है कि यहाँ ALS ALS सीक्वेंस अच्छी तरह बाधित रूप से चलता हुआ।
As we wait for the launch, let me briefly tell you the flight sequence which will be followed today for the PSLV C-49 mission. The reaction control thrusters are fired 2.8 seconds before the launch. At liftoff, that is at T0, the core stage or the first stage and the two strap-ons will be ignited. The strap-ons will continue to burn for about 70 seconds and then they will be separated from the launch vehicle at 25 kilometers altitude. The first stage will take the rocket to an altitude of 61 kilometers and impart a velocity of 1.6 kilometers per second. At 109 seconds flight elapsed time, the PS1 will separate and the PS2 is ignited less than a second later. During the PS2 burn regime, two flight events take place: the initiation of closed loop guidance and the separation of the heat shield. The total burn time of PS2 is 152 seconds and it is then separated from the ongoing launch vehicle. On your screens now you can see the Director of Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shri A. Rajarajan, sitting next to Chairman ISRO Dr. Shivan. Next to him is Shri S. Somnath, Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Then I was telling you about the flight sequence. After the PS2 burnout, the PS3 stage is ignited, which is burned for another 123 seconds, and then the PS3 is burnt out but continues to coast along. The PS3 separates another 145 seconds later.
RCT actuation in progress.
10 seconds later, from the separation of PS3, PS4 stage is ignited. 316 seconds of burn duration of PS4 develops the required orbital conditions for the payloads and injects the primary satellite, followed by co-passenger satellites in the predetermined orbit in sequence. You can see the senior scientists of ISRO looking intently at their monitors,
PS2 prime
and
chain actuation.
here you can see the satellite project director, Shri Nadagowda, looking intently at the satellite parameters. Talking about the co-passenger satellites taking a ride in this mission, one is R2 satellite belonging to the Lithuania. It is a technology demonstrator. The Clio satellites, 4 numbers, namely KSM-1A, 1B, 1C and 1D from the Luxembourg,
All
are meant
activations
for
completed.
maritime applications. The Lemur 1, 2, 3 and 4 satellites from Spire Global USA are multi-mission remote sensing satellites. The launch vehicle is controlled by a strap-down inertial navigation guidance system housed in the vehicle equipment bay that is mounted on the top of 4th stage. Here you can see on your screens the details of the foreign satellites. These are being launched under commercial agreement. The view of various consoles of the Mission Control Center here at SDSC Shar.
अब आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर चेयरमैन ISRO डॉक्टर शिवन को देख रहे हैं। कोरोना काल में ये भी पूरी तरह सावधानी बरतते हुए। अब हम प्रमोशन से करीब 8 मिनट 40 सेकंड की दूरी पर। ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर इस दौरान सभी पैरामीटर का बारीकी से निरीक्षण करता हुआ जा रहा है। और इस निरीक्षण के बाद में आखिरी में T0 पर वह खुद ही पायरो इग्निशन की कमांड देगा।
Now we are about 8 minutes away from the scheduled launch time. All the senior scientists are carefully observing the launch vehicle, satellite and range-related parameters that determine the launch commit criteria. To commit the launch vehicle for a launch, normally benign weather conditions are ensured, whose report is obtained from the dedicated meteorology department of ISRO. In addition, the wind profile is prepared and fed to the onboard computer so that it can give appropriate command to reduce the aerodynamic loads during the ascent phase of the rocket. The debris location has been verified and it is not affecting the path of launch vehicle during its journey to orbit. Notice is given to airmen for instantaneous impact point trajectory.
अब हम T-7 मिनट 10 सेकंड की दूरी पर लॉन्च से अभी आप यहां श्रीहरिकोटा के सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष केंद्र से सीधा प्रसारण देख रहे हैं।
-7 minutes.
यह दृश्य किसी के लिए भी बहुत ही रोमांच भरा होता है, न सिर्फ दर्शकों के लिए बल्कि यहां के अभियंताओं और वैज्ञानिकों की दिन रात की मेहनत का परिणाम का भी समय होता है।
You can see the PSLV C-49 standing majestically at its launch pad and fully ready for its launch. We are 6 minutes 20 seconds away from the launch time.
प्रमोचन यान से जुड़े सभी विकास कार्य इसरो की गुणवत्ता तथा तंत्र विश्वसनीयता का पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है। गुणवत्ता विभाग के वैज्ञानिक अभियंता शुरू से आखिरी तक हर एक गतिविधि की साक्षी बनकर इसकी गुणवत्ता का परीक्षण करते हैं। डिजाइन से लेकर विकसित तंत्र आने तक उनका हर एक चरण पर योगदान रहता है।
External power withdrawn.
इससे ये सुनिश्चित किया जा सके कि कोई भी कार्य त्रुटि के साथ आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा, त्रुटि रहित है। अगर कोई त्रुटि आती भी है तो उसका मिशन पर क्या प्रभाव होगा और उसे कैसे कम किया जा सकता है। इन चरणों का निरीक्षण करने के पश्चात ही इसरो की पुनरीक्षण समिति द्वारा प्रमोचन के लिए अनुमोदन प्रदान किया जाता है।
Side coefficient loading completed.
As Mr. Vikas has already explained you about the PSLV launch vehicle, let me throw some light on it again. Let me explain about the launch vehicle configuration. It is a PSLV DL mission with alternate solid and liquid stages.
-5
It's 139 tons of solid propellant in the main booster called PS1. It consists of 5 segments, approximately 30 tons each, with two 12.2 ton solid strap-on motors alongside the main booster. The core dia is 2.8 meters, thrust 4,800 kilonewtons, action time of 107 seconds approximately, and the strap-on dia is 1 meter and thrust 119 kilonewtons. The second stage of PSLV is based on liquid propulsion system with 41-ton propellant loading of UH-25 as fuel and N2O4 as oxidizer. The Vikas engine develops 799 kilonewtons of thrust. The third stage of the rocket is called HPS-3. Its height is 3.6 meters, diameter 2 meters, and uses 7.65 tons of propellant. The fourth stage is a liquid stage, which is 2.5 meters in height, 1.34 meters in diameter, and 1.6 tons of propellant loading. Monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. The satellites are housed inside the payload fairing, the heat shield. The overall height of PSLV is 44.4 meters and the gross liftoff weight of PSLV DL is 259 tons.
अब हम प्रमोशन से 3 मिनट 8 सेकंड की दूरी पर ऑन बोर्ड कंप्यूटर अबाधित रूप से कार्य करता हुआ
-3 minutes.
सबसे पहला प्रज्वलन करीबन T-2.8 सेकंड्स पर आप RCT रिएक्शन कंट्रोल थ्रस्टर का देख सकेंगे।
The IST time is 15 hours, 15:08 hours, and we are 2.5 minutes away from the launch. These are the views from Mission Control Center here at Satish Dhawan Space Center. Views of senior scientists watching intently.
-2 minutes.
The Mission Control Center conveys in real time all the flight and the launch related parameters that are to be noticed by the senior scientists.
जैसा कि मैं पहले भी आपको बता चुका हूं, PSLV के एक बहुमुखी संरचना वाला यान है। बहुमुखी संरचना से हमारा मतलब है कि इसके कई वर्जन्स, कई संरचनाएं हो सकती हैं, जिसमें कि है PSLV XL, PSLV Core Alone, PSLV DL और PSLV QL। PSLV XL संरचना में 6 स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर प्रथम चरण PS1 बूस्टर के साथ संलग्न रहते हैं। कोर अलोन में इनमें एक भी स्ट्रैप-ऑन नहीं होता, सिर्फ PS1 बूस्टर अकेला रहता है। PSLV DL में
-50 seconds.
All sequences are
We are 45 seconds away from the scheduled launch time.
Seconds.
अब हम
-40 seconds.
कुछ देर शांति ग्रहण करेंगे और आप सभी
-32
दर्शक
seconds.
प्रमोशन का आनंद लीजिए।
-30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
-25 seconds.
PS2 VSPP open.
The special camera is
-20
focusing
seconds.
intently on the launch vehicle and the range operations director
-15
looking very
seconds.
intently at his monitor. 15 seconds, 12, 11
10.
and 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ignition,
Plus 5 seconds.
You have just watched a majestic liftoff of PSLV C-49 carrying EOS-01 with 9 co-passenger satellites, and the range operations director has confirmed the liftoff and that the performance of PS1 is normal.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा प्रमोशन यान का लिफ्ट ऑफ बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से बढ़ता हुआ और ये गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में।
That is PS1. Its total thrust is 4,800 kilonewtons. It uses solid propellant, HTPB based solid propellant, and alongside there are 2 strap-on boosters.
Plus
हम
1
यहाँ
minute.
स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं और अपने अवलोकित पथ पर
The altitude and the
Upon separated.
अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर का घोषणा है यहाँ कि
Stage performance
स्ट्रैप ऑन
normal.
सेपरेट हो चुका है।
P2 change over to SABT2.
now you can see the flight events on your screen. The PS1 has been flowing normally and its performance is normal. The total burn time is about 108 seconds, and then and then it will be separated from the ongoing vehicle.
Stage separated, second stage engine started,
अभी
Now you
closed
have
loop guidance initiated.
plus 2 minutes.
आरओडी का अभी अभी घोषणा हुई है और उन्होंने बताया फर्स्ट स्टेज सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ यान से पृथक हो चुका है और दूसरे चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है।
Second stage performance normal.
now that the first stage action time is complete, it has been separated from the ongoing vehicle, and we have seen the confirmation from the range operations director that it has been separated, and you can see on your screens the flight regime of PS2.
Payload bed separated.
And the payload fairing has been separated, and as you have already heard, the closed loop guidance has been initiated.
Second stage performance normal.
अभी अभी आरओडी ने फिर से घोषणा की है कि ऊष्मा कवच का पृथक्करण हो चुका है। अब हमारा यान वायुमंडल से बाहर जा चुका है।
The PS2 takes the launch vehicle up to 225 kilometers altitude and increases its relative velocity from 1.6 kilometers per second to 4.3 kilometers per second. Here you can see the time versus relative velocity plot and the flight events.
अभी आप एनिमेशन पे देख पा रहे हैं PS2 का सामान्य निष्पादन। PS2 का प्रज्वलन सामान्य होता हुआ। अब प्रमोचन यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है।
Normal.
Now it is about 4 minutes after the launch, and the PSLV stage 2 is performing, and its performance is observed to be normal. It will continue to perform till 261 seconds, which amounts to 4 minutes 21 seconds.
अगली घटना PS3 का
Stage ignited.
आरओडी ने अभी अभी घोषणा की PS2 का सफलतापूर्वक पृथक्करण और PS3 का इग्निशन हो चुका है।
Stage performance normal.
You have just heard the range operations director giving a confirmation that the PS2 stage has been separated, the PS3 stage has been ignited, and its performance is normal.
PS3 का
Third
क्रियाकाल
stage performance normal.
PS3 का क्रियाकाल करीब 123 सेकंड का होगा। इस तरह यह अपना पूर्ण ज्वलन काल T+385 सेकंड्स पर पूर्ण करेगा। इसके बाद यह बंद होकर PS3, PS4 और सैटेलाइट एक यूनिट बनकर आगे की यात्रा करेंगे। इसे हम कोस्टिंग फेज कहते हैं।
The PS3 will burn for 123 seconds. It imparts 295 seconds of specific impulse. This stage is based on HTPB based propellant in a Kevlar motor case. The motor will provide thrust of 33.5 tons to the ongoing launch vehicle. Now we are 5 minutes 55 seconds after the launch time. The PS3 will burn till 6 minutes 25 seconds.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं हम प्रमोचन से 366 सेकंड की दूरी पर सापेक्षिक वेग करीब 6.9 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड का हो चुका है। पृथ्वी से ऊंचाई करीबन 325 किलोमीटर के करीब है।
Third stage action completed.
It is confirmed that the
Hosting base.
PS3 operation is now completed. The PS3 will not burn anymore but will continue to coast along with the PS4 and the passenger satellites. It will be jettisoned in another 145 seconds.
जी हाँ, PS3 का कोस्टिंग फेज शुरू हो चुका है। यह करीब 145 सेकंड तक का होगा, जिसमें कि पूर्व प्राप्त वेग के साथ प्रमोचन यान अपनी ऊंचाई प्राप्त करेगा।
During the coasting phase, the altitude
Coasting
addition
performance is normal.
is about 160 kilometers addition, while the relative velocity reduces from 7 to 6.9 kilometers per second. These are the flight parameters, time versus initial velocity, relative velocity plots. The tracking of the ongoing launch vehicle is carried out by ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network, a host of ground stations in the flight path of the mission. Participating track centers are Sriharikota, Thiruvananthapuram, Port Blair and Yettaraga in Australia.
Vehicle performance
All
is normal.
stations ensure sufficient time overlap so that there will not be any miss in looking to the telemetry data.
जी हाँ, इस दौरान हमारे ग्राउंड स्टेशंस टेलीमेट्री के द्वारा यान की सभी पैरामीटर्स प्राप्त करवाते रहते हैं। इसमें 5 टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस इस बार भाग ले रहे हैं। इन सभी टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस में पर्याप्त समय का ओवरलैप रहता है ताकि यह इंश्योर किया जा सके कि कोई भी डेटा लॉस नहीं हो रहा है। अगला इवेंट PS3 सेपरेशन और PS4 इग्निशन का होगा।
We are eagerly waiting for the separation of PS3.
Stage separated.
Yeah, now the confirmation has come that the PS3 has been separated and PS4 is due to ignite in another about 10
Four
seconds.
engine started.
The PS4 ignition also has been confirmed. The PS4 is powered by
Fourth
two
stage
pump-fed
performance
engines
normal.
burning monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. 316 seconds of burn duration of PS4 develop the required orbital conditions for the payloads and injects the primary satellites, followed by the co-passenger satellites in the predetermined orbit in sequence.
अभी आप देख रहे हैं ग्राफ में रेंज और एल्टीट्यूड और ग्राउंड ट्रेस दिखाया जा रहा है। यान अपनी पूर्वानुमानित और अवलोकित पथ को फॉलो करता
Fourth
हुआ
stage performance normal.
आरओडी का अभी अनाउंसमेंट आया है। चतुर्थ चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ। चतुर्थ चरण एमएमएच और मॉन ईंधन का प्रयोग कर 0.76 टन के 2 इंजनों का निष्पादन करता है और इससे PS4 के बाद 7.16 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड की वेग प्राप्त कर ली जाती है। PS4 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और
Fourth stage
हमारे उपग्रहों
performance normal.
को उसके उद्दिष्ट कक्ष तक ले जाने में सहायक साबित होता हुआ।
During the PS4 operation, let me just tell you that the PSLV is the workhorse of ISRO and it has rightfully earned this credit owing to the versatility and adaptability. Let me enumerate a few noteworthy PSLV missions. In the PSLV C-44 mission, the immediate predecessor in a similar launch vehicle configuration, that is PSLV-DL, with 2 strap-ons, was the first time ISRO used the last stage of the rocket as platform to perform experiments in space. The record for largest number of satellites ever launched by a rocket is achieved by PSLV C-37 mission. It had launched 104 satellites. The PS4 restart was experimentally demonstrated in C-29
Stage
mission
performance normal.
and functionally executed in the C-34 mission.
1 minute.
PSLV is known for the prestigious interplanetary missions, the Mangalyaan or the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-01 in 2008, and you can see on your screen Shri P. Kunnikrishnan, Director, UR Rao Satellite Center.
PS4 अपने सामान्य निष्पादन देता हुआ अब अगले घटना हमारे मुख्य उपग्रह EOS-1 के सेपरेशन की है, जिसका हम सभी को इंतजार है। यह घटना करीबन t प्लस 919.2 सेकेंड्स पर होगी। अभी हम 786 सेकेंड्स दूर आ चुके हैं प्रमोशन से। सापेक्षिक गति 7.02 की पहुंच चुकी है।
Fourth stage performance normal.
There is a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the PS4 operation is normal. And as I was telling you about the versatility of PSLV, PSLV has been the trusted vehicle for the launch of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite Constellation, NAVIC. So far, 50 PSLV missions are complete, and this is the 51st mission. 37 from the first launch pad and 13 from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota. The present launch is the 51st mission of PSLV and the 38th from the first launch pad. It is 13 minutes 51 seconds after the launch, and we are waiting for the PSLV stage 4 burn completion.
Plus 14 minutes.
आप ग्राफ देखते हुए अब हम बहुत ही करीब हैं अपने सैटेलाइट सेपरेशन से।
Stage engine shut off.
PS4 को बंद कर दिया गया है। यह सब ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से किया जाता है। अब उपभू दूरी 575 किलोमीटर की
Satellite
प्राप्त कर ली
injection
गई है।
conditions are achieved.
अभी अभी आरओडी ने अनाउंस किया कि कक्षा के अनुकूल स्थितियां प्राप्त की गई हैं और अब किसी भी समय उपग्रह PS4 से पृथक होकर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित होगा।
On your screens, you are able to watch the flight parameters along with the ground trace. The next flight event is the primary satellite separation.
EOS-01 satellite separated.
Now the jubilant moment on your screens.
अभी आप ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से ऑनबोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं कि EOS-1 का पृथकीकरण सफलतापूर्वक कर लिया गया है।
The EOS-1, the primary satellite of PSLV's C-49 mission, has been injected into the orbit, its intended orbit, and the visuals you are getting from the onboard cameras live.
जी हाँ, यह पल सभी वैज्ञानिकों के लिए काफी उत्साहवर्धक।
I'm not initiating and redundant. We are initiating here.
That was the separation of the first satellite and 9 more customer satellites in line
From redundant to redundant.
for the separation, and PS4 still in orbit reorienting itself for the further injection events.
Not to NAV. Our local, we don't have any connection to NAV right now. So our local.
आप ये घटनाक्रम देख पा रहे हैं EOS-1 सेपरेशन। अब आरओडी ने अनाउंस कर दिया है R2 उपग्रह अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है, अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है।
ASM-1A satellite separated.
The R2 satellite and the CLEOS 1A satellite have been separated. R2 is a technology demonstrator satellite from Lithuania, as we have told you earlier. The next flight event is the KSM-1B separation, which is going to take place any time now. These are the visuals from the onboard camera of the launch vehicle. Mission Control Center, all the scientists are waiting eagerly for the next satellite separation.
KSM-1B satellite separated.
ESM-1B सैटेलाइट का सफलतापूर्वक अंतक्षेपण किया गया।
Now, the second KSM satellite, that is the KSM-1B, has also been separated at its intended time into the intended orbit. The KSM satellites, 4 of them are taking a ride in this particular mission. They are from Luxembourg and these are meant for maritime applications.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर पृथ्वी का विहंगम दृश्य करीब 578 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई से देखते हुए
KSM-1D satellite separated.
The KSM-1B satellite also has been separated, as ROD has announced. Now you are watching on your screens a very beautiful and vivid visual of the Earth. Next we stand by for the KSM-1C also has been separated. So all the 4 satellites of the Cleo space have been separated. Now the Lemur satellites, one by one, they will detach.
जी हाँ, KSM-1C को भी यान से पृथक कर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित कर दिया गया है। चारों KSM सैटेलाइट्स अपनी कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
More 2 satellites separate.
ROD का अभी अनाउंसमेंट, लेमोर 1 और लेमोर 2 अमेरिका के सैटेलाइट्स सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपित कर दिए गए हैं।
Three satellites separated.
जी हाँ, अब लेमोर 3 भी अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
The Lemur satellites are from Spire Global Inc., USA, whose purpose is multi-mission remote sensing. Now we wait eagerly for the last satellite separation of this mission, that is the Lemur 4, which can happen.
4 satellites separated.
Now
All
here we
10
have
satellites are separated.
now we have
Then
here a
completed.
successful
Handing over
mission
to
with
mission
all the
director.
10 satellites separated and injected into the into their intended orbit.
And all 9 customer satellites into the desired orbits. PSLV C-49 EOS-01 mission is fully accomplished.
मिशन की सफलतापूर्ण पर सबको शुभकामनाएं देते हुए चेयरमैन ISRO,
Chairman ISRO congratulating all the center directors and senior ISRO scientists in the mission control centers. It's a jubilant environment here.
सभी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उपभोक्ता को भी हमारी तरफ से बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
We have witnessed a successful launch today, another feather in the cap of PSLV and ISRO. The workhorse of ISRO, that is the PSLV, has once again proved its might and added a feather to its cap. Now we take you live to the addressing of Chairman ISRO Dr. K. Shivan and the team, and we take leave from you. Do take care of yourselves. Goodbye.
जी हाँ, अब हम